Oh no, not now. Achoo. Where did that come from? Achoo. Achoo!
Well, that's one way to liven up a study session.
I absolutely cannot sneeze here.
Hey Nose, glad you could join us. You okay there?
Yes. Just allergies, you know?
And then I said, "That's not a drum, that's my head."
Oh dear.
Nose, you got this. Hold it in.
Cho!
Guess you couldn't hold that one, huh?
Sorry, everyone. Seems my sneezes have a mind of their own. Oh no, here it comes.
Did you see that?
I didn't know meetings could be so uplifting.
Encore. Nose. Encore.
Maybe sneezes aren't so bad after all.
Beautiful.
They just make life a little more interesting.
Can't wait to see what pops out next.